Well, welcome to Remotable Millionaire. I'm Ramon Polo. I'm gonna show you right now how to make money with faceless YouTube channels using AI, the latest technology. And I'm gonna show you how you can make money with affiliate marketing and also by getting views and getting multiple streams of income. It's so cool. It's so awesome. Don't miss out. I'm gonna show you examples and very quick. I'm gonna do this really quick. And before I do this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I just started like a week ago. This is my 30th video. I'm very active. I want to reach a lot of people. So let's get to it. How do you make money with faceless YouTube channels using AI so you don't show your face and all that stuff? So there's 4 steps here, and all these steps involved, I'm going to show you how to do it using AI. There's the research phase, right? There's the video creation, video optimization once before uploading the video, so you get views and you get recommended and suggested on YouTube, other YouTube videos and all that stuff. You have to optimize the video and also channel optimization. I prefer to optimize the channel later on. As you make more videos and you post more videos, you can optimize the channel different ways. And for this, I'm going to show you right now how to do it. But there's also the great training right on the link in the description right below. This is the best training on YouTube marketing I found. Free training how to make money on YouTube without recording videos and without any experience, technical skill, or huge upfront investment. You can just research. You see there is a pre-recorded webinar live training, and the results of this is crazy. The best training on YouTube I found anywhere, and this is some of the concepts that they teach in this training. You can just watch a training for free right here. But yeah, let's do the research first. And for that, for affiliate marketing, to make money with affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products and services, I'm pretty sure you already know this term by now. But basically, you just make commissions promoting other people's products and services. The best places that are the most well-known, the best places to find this are clickbank.com. Right here, you can go to Clickbank, sign up and find offers right there. And also Digistore24, a great network as well. Basically, the best niches to be involved on this, to get views and also to sell products. The best niches for YouTube are health, wealth, fitness and all that, relationships, travel niche, and technology. Those are the best niches right here. And you can find tons of products here related to this. So once you find the product, then you can do more research and create your video really quick. So I would recommend you to focus on promoting this first, okay? Because this is already a 90% done for you online system that makes regular people around $1,000 to $5,000 plus per day with free traffic, and you can promote this. This is what I would recommend you to focus on, especially if you're just starting with affiliate marketing and without needing to create your own products, websites. And the testimonials here are crazy. This is a money-making machine right here. You send traffic to the system. It's already done for you. They have the funnel, everything. You can just watch the free video. Rather to learn more, watch the video. This is what I recommend you to promote with YouTube videos and all that in the make money online niche. And yes, you can make thousands of dollars per sale. Every time you make a sale, you make thousands of dollars per commission. This is what I would recommend you to focus on promoting and the make money online niche. And once you have the product already and you know your niche and all that, the best way to do it, and then the next step will be different ways to find videos and content to create about. You can search right here on YouTube and look for your own niche. Let's say, so I came to the ClickBank Marketplace. This is where you can find the products to promote. And I went to e-business and e-marketing, the make money online or like working remotely. So here's some of the top offers on ClickBank on this niche. So let's say you wanna promote this product, live chat jobs. You got to try this one, right? You can just hit here, promote, put your affiliate link right there, your ID, and you get the link and you promote it, right? Now, how do you create content about this, for example? So it's live chat jobs, right? You can come here to the search page and find ideas like this to start your research, to see exactly what niche you wanna focus on and find your perfect online job, right? So now we can come to YouTube and find something like best remote jobs, something like that. And it's gonna give you ideas. You're gonna see videos and all that stuff. and see what's popular, and you can model after that. I'm gonna show you a really cool tool to do better research, keyword research and all that. Best remote jobs for beginners. You're gonna start with this and draw traffic to that, but you have to see the competition. Here, the tool that I use to analyze the competition, right here, you see overall the score medium, competition is low, the volume, search volume is decent. So you're gonna start with this keyword, best remote jobs. And the way I do this is with vidIQ. The link is in the description as well. This is a must-have tool, okay? This is how I do my research, and it gives you ideas. It gives you here stats. I just started this channel 1 week ago, so of course everything is going to be increasing, but it shows you here how far you're from the monetization and the watch time and everything, top keyword opportunities and all that. So let's go to the keywords. This is a great tool, okay? Let's check it out. Check it out on the description. I believe they have a free version, I believe. I'm not sure, but I have the paid version, of course. But you can do some things like this, like some keyword research with the free version and everything. So let's do remote jobs, and here you can do some keyword research really quick and see what's out there, so you can create content really fast with AI, by the way. Oh, look at that. Overall, it's a high, look at this. This is great keyword to go after. You can create content right there. I already found a great keyword to create content about. So there you go. So now let's go remote jobs. So now we can do to create the content with AI. Let's search for matching terms and see something more specific to create content about, right? Because remote jobs, yeah, maybe you can create a playlist with that and create different videos and content about this particular keyword. But to make a video, it needs to be more specific video, so a more specific keyword. So remote jobs from home. So remote jobs, no experience, 2023 entry level remote jobs. There you go. This could be good. 11,000 low competition. Let's do entry level jobs. Okay. And best jobs with no. Yeah, let's do this one. All right. So we're gonna come this here. It's great. Now, how we're gonna create the content and the video? Another AI tool. Amazing, amazing. Check out the link in the description, of course. InVideo AI. This is gonna blow you away. It creates videos in like minutes, and it's just amazing. You should try it out. No credit card required. You can try it for free, literally. See the quality. It's amazing. Just check it out. It's right below on the description as well. And yeah, I can't, like, this is the most advanced video creator software I found anywhere. And these are the different prices. You can pay yearly or monthly. And this is what you should be doing. Like, this is pretty crazy. So let me show you how you will use this, okay? You can play around, you can tweak it around, but this is the InVideo AI right here. And you just have to give them a prompt. So what do you want? You want a YouTube short or YouTube explainer? I will do YouTube explainer, right? For you make more money per view, and it's easier to monetize. You can put links on the description and everything. So I would recommend you to do longer videos. Let's start with a 5 minutes YouTube video about, and give me an engaging topic. I talked about it. So entry-level remote jobs. So it's a 5 minutes. Let's do 5 best entry-level remote jobs. Okay. And now you can give him some directions here as well. Let me zoom in so you can see better right here. So make this video your own by adding detailed, creative, like tone. So let's do, I don't know, casual tone with sophisticated language. I love it. I love it when I put sophisticated language. Is they use this nice word, sophisticated language. That's it. And now the background music, it can be upbeat, haunting, upbeat. Let's do upbeat music. And now here you can choose the gender, any gender, or a male or a female. And let's do a male, for example, and you can do any voice, any American voice, California accent, Southern accent, Midwest, transatlantic voice. You can select the accents, Northern English, British, Indian English. So let's do just a clear American voice, and the watermark, whatever, and use iStock normally, whatever you want to use. If you want to use more, prefer using iStock when can. There you go. And then hit continue, and it's gonna generate the video for you, and it's gonna be very crazy. Well, first it's gonna give you here the overview of what you just requested. You're gonna hit generate a video, and it's gonna be pretty amazing. You can see samples here and everything. I'm not gonna do it because they charge credits every time I create a video. They charge credits, so you can see videos and demos about the software, and you can try it on your own, like for free. So I highly recommend you to use this. It's pretty amazing, and that's how you upload more videos, and you can post a lot of videos and post a lot of content, which is the name of the game, right? All right. So we just did the research and the video creation in just a few minutes of work. Like, this is crazy. And the research is just gonna take you time in the beginning. Then you can just do the research for a period of time. But then once the research is done, you just can create. You just focus on video creation and video optimization continuously. This is the two main tasks that you will have to worry about on a regular basis. So now, how do you optimize the video, right? So let's do it. You will come here to YouTube, upload the video, right? And this is what it's going to show you once you have the vidIQ software. Again, download it at least for free because it's amazing. I highly recommend you to get it. The paid version, the boost version is amazing. It's well worth it. It's cheap. I think I'm paying like $20 or $30 a month. Is well worth it. The best AI tool I found online ever. So here it gives you AI title recommendations, and you will have to put the keyword that we found, right? It was the remote jobs that we found here, right? So we're coming back here to the entry-level remote jobs, and we're gonna put that here, and it's gonna be the title. I'm not gonna do it right now, but it's the 5 best entry-level jobs, right here, and you will capitalize and all that, you get it. And then here also, you will put it right here on the description. So here you see, so for example, undo changes. I'm gonna undo the changes and see, you see on this video, for example, okay, let's imagine that that's the keyword that you're targeting, but then this keyword is how to make money with affiliate marketing using AI. This is the last video I made, and I put this keyword on the description right here on the top of the description, and then the links to the recommended resources that you should put on your videos as well to monetize right away, so you don't have to wait for YouTube to approve your monetization. Short description that you can do it right here, okay? And the vidIQ will generate a description as well. So you will put remote jobs, entry-level remote jobs, or like this, and work from home. Well, my personal assistant, my personal girlfriend just gave me this beautiful cover. Thank you very much. So here you can see the keywords right here, and you generate, and vidIQ is going to generate a short description for you, so you don't have to type it or nothing, and it's going to give you 3 different options. You can regenerate if you don't like it, and you just copy and paste. This is my son, guys. This is my little son, LeBron. Yeah, believe it or not, that's his name. I was a basketball player, and my girlfriend loves LeBron James, so it's the perfect name to name our little son. And yeah, back to this. You just copy the description and put it right there. You just put it on the description, and that's it. And then you create the thumbnail. You can create the thumbnail on Canva, really easy, for free, really quick. And select the playlist and all this. This is optimized, and vidIQ as well. I'm not sure if the free version has this, but it's going to show you competitors' keywords right here that you can just include, copy and paste. And the tags right here, you will put here, you see it suggests the best hashtags here, so you can rank for as many tags as possible and keywords as possible. So in this case, recommended, I will go to Keyword Inspector, and you can search for the for this part. This is a very powerful part, okay? There's different ways here where you can find keywords to put here on these tags, but basically you can just come here to Keyword Inspector, type your keyword there. It will show you some relevant keywords right there, most viewed, competitors, and all that. Also here is gonna recommend you some tags that you can add if you like. And then show more right here. This all vidIQ, by the way, this is must-have tool, that's why. Now, what I like to do also is come back to vidIQ, and where we found the keyword, remember, it shows you a bunch of keywords here, related keywords, matching terms, and questions. So here you can sort by overall, so you get the best keywords by overall score. So you can just include remote jobs, work from home jobs 2023, work from home jobs, remote jobs from home, online jobs. You can view all keywords right there. So you can just copy this and include it right there on the tags section. Boom, you paste it and you have it right there, and you keep doing that until you fill out the 500 characters right here. Okay, I'm gonna undo it. I don't want to mess up my video, but you get the point, and you do this consistently and it's gonna blow you away. And you can find more keywords here in different sections. You can either view all 109 keywords. You can also find here questions, sort by overall. The higher the overall score, the better for you, the easier to rank, and the more traffic you're gonna get. How to get entry level remote jobs easily, remote entry level jobs, blah blah, entry level remote jobs. So you get the point. This is how you will do it, okay? And then you include the link to the description of this affiliate offer. You include it on the YouTube description, and that's it. And you keep doing this consistently, okay? You're not gonna get well, some people start making money really fast in their second day. We had a case studies on this training right here where, yeah, some guy made sales his second day, but don't expect those results. Can be fast, but you need to be consistent and patient with this game, okay? So keep doing this, you do that, and then I recommend you to watch this training too. It's free, shows you a lot of details about this, and then this is the course. The student results are crazy, and you can just watch the free video right there. They're gonna ask you to join the program. I would recommend you, if you wanna take your YouTube business seriously, I will highly recommend you to get this program, honestly, because it's the best one I've found. So much detail. This guy makes millions of dollars with YouTube. And then I would recommend you, instead of going to ClickBank, if you can afford this, okay, this is not cheap. This is a 90% done for you system where you have like the whole thing already set up. You make thousands of dollars per sale, per commission. And it's just, they have closers, they have people setting appointments, they follow up with your leads like crazy on a daily basis. They set up your autoresponder and everything. That's why the commissions here are so huge. We're making thousands of dollars per sale. If you can afford this, check it out, watch the video. Even if you can't afford it, watch the video. It gives you great training on how to build a business as well, using AI and all that, and re-uploading other people's content and all that. Great training. And if you can't afford this system, then just use ClickBank and Digistore24 like I was showing you to find great products. And there's other social networks that you can find on Google and online and everywhere else. So thank you very much. This is it for right now. I recommend you to keep watching that and check the resources on the description to take your YouTube business to the next level, or to have a successful, if you're starting, just start having a successful YouTube channel and video and business and all that. So thank you very much for watching. Please like this video and also subscribe to my channel, please. I just started, I'm very active. I want to help a lot of people here, and I'm not going to stop. Subscribe here, Remoteable, Millionaire, and Ramon Polo, and I'm here to show people how to make money online so they can live the lifestyle that they want. You can live whatever you want. Where do you want to live? What type of life you want? And this is it for you. So thank you very much. Have a great day.